talking about this hair today. Push that thing through. What is up, you guys? What is up, you guys? It's your girl Kay, and I'm back at it again with another video. And as you guys can tell from the title, this is a hair review video. I'm super excited to be talking about this hair because I absolutely love this hair, and I was so happy. I was looking forward to this hair. I just threw it on, and now I'm about to talk about it. This wig is from Nadula. Shout out to you, Nadula. Y'all came through for your girl. Y'all came through for your girl. Look at this. Look at that. Let's get into it. Let's start talking. Like I said, this wig is 26 inches, and it's their lace front straight wig. And I did want it to get 30, but this is way long enough for me. I'm gonna show you guys where it stops. So it stops to like my waist or on my butt area. So it stops like right at my, well, yeah, it stops on my hip area. It's really long. If I would have got 30 inches, it would have been even longer. Excuse me. Ooh, child. Super long, very silky, and I love hair. I love wigs that aren't too thick. Like, this wig feels thick enough, but it doesn't feel heavy. It's not too hot, even though, you know, if you live in like Florida or wherever that's hot, this wig is totally fine. I just love this wig, and I've been meaning to get a long straight wig for a minute. I didn't want to do no body wave, no curly hair, none of that. I just wanted a straight throw on wig, and this is her. This is her. So first things first, when I took it out the packaging was kind of messed up, so I didn't really want to put that on camera. I didn't do the unboxing because it had taken a while for it to come, being that, you know, the whole coronavirus, academic pandemic, and everything else that's going on in the world. It took me a while to receive the package, but don't be alarmed, y'all. They still are a really good company, very good customer service. And when I took the hair out the packaging, it was still in good condition. The hair was super nice. It didn't have a weird smell to it. It just smelled like hair. It just literally smelled like hair. Packaging was really good. I wish, you know, it wasn't crushed and trampled on, but I know due to that, there's different packaging, you know, being delivered within the same thing that my hair was coming in. It just got crushed. It's normal. It happens. Like I said, the hair didn't have no weird smell to it. I barely had to put heat onto this hair. It's super silky and shiny. I didn't even put anything really in my hair besides my oil sheen, and that was just to basically have my hair look even more silkier while it's curly. The curls that I did in my previous video with my straightener, if you guys didn't see this video, you probably will see it after this video. But super silky, really long. It doesn't shed like that. I had to pluck the wig, so obviously it's gonna shed, but every hair sheds. I don't care how expensive the hair is. I don't care how cheap the hair is. Like, every hair sheds. No matter if you spend $700, like, it's gonna shed. It's normal, it happens. But either way, it's not like, oh my god, it's shedding, like I need to throw this wig out. But it definitely is. It's normal. It happens. Like, it happens. And yeah, like I said, this hair is bomb AF. I love this hair. I didn't bleach the knots though. I just kind of threw it on because I didn't really have all the products with me to bleach the knots, but I just threw it on my head. The lace quality is super good. What else? The quality of the lace is super good. I actually used Ghost Bond to install my hair for the first time, and I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good for the first time to be installing my wigs with Ghost Bonds. I really, when it comes down to installing my wigs, I just like to spray down when I got to be. But I feel like since I'm in Florida, it's hot. I don't have time for my lace to be lifting, so I use Ghost Bond. You don't have to use Ghost Bond. Like I said, you can use the got to be or whatever product that you use to install your wig. But being that I'm in a hot ass state, I'd rather secure the wig than keep having to spray it and keep having to blow dry my hair every 2 seconds because my lace is lifted. So yes, it's totally up to you how you want to install your hair. But like I said, this hair is bomb. It's so bomb. I'm gonna just give you guys a little close up how the hair is. Look at that. Y'all see that? It's super shiny. I love this hair. I was so excited to be working with Nadula because their hair is just A1. Like, I really like it. And I really hope that we work together again in the near future. Like I said, their hair is a bomb. I love it. Hope you guys will love it. Everything will be literally linked down below. I don't know if they have a sale going on, but like I said, due to the coronavirus is still a thing, it's still existing, and there's a lot of things that's going on in the world. I don't really want to touch a whole lot of base on that because I feel like a lot of people, you know, use their platform to say what they have to say, of course. But I just feel like it's such a sensitive topic. I don't want to speak on stuff without doing my research and actually having the actual facts of what I need to say and to back it up. So with all said and done, I hope everybody is safe. I hope everybody's safe. If you are protesting, I hope you are doing it in, you know, the safest way possible. There's a lot of things that's going on. I don't know what to say, but like I said, yeah, no, there's a lot going on. And yeah, so just don't be alarmed if you do order a wig from Nadula or any other hair company and it doesn't come around the time that it says it's gonna come. It's just everything that's going on in the world. I pray that, you know, it gets back to normal once, you know, we have our peace and everything is all said and done. So yeah. Everything will be linked down below. And yeah, shop Nadula because their hair bomb AF and I love it. So yeah, y'all, stay safe, stay blessed, stay well, stay healthy, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.